In these problems, we are subtracting decimal numbers. And this is a lot like the subtraction you've done before. So if you know how to subtract, 3 or 4 digit numbers, you can handle the decimals. There's just a little bit of concern about the decimal point. The main thing is that you have to line up your numbers so that the decimal points are right on top of each other. That'll put all your place values in the right places. So the ones are on top of the ones, the tenths are on top of the tenths, etc. And then when you're done doing your subtracting, you'll just put the decimal point in that same position. So let me show you how that goes. Since we've got these stacked up and aligned correctly, the decimal points are in the right above each other in the right place. We're going to go ahead and start subtracting over here on the right. So 5 minus 1, well, that's 4. And then 8 minus 9, oh, 9 is bigger than 8. So we actually have to borrow, just like we've done in other subtraction. So we're going to cross out that 8, turn it into a 7, grab the 10, and put it over here to turn this 8 into an 18. So now 18 minus 9, that I can do. That's 9. And then 7 minus 6 would be 1. And 9 minus, well, there's nothing there, so we just bring the 9 down. And once you've got all the subtraction part done, you just put your decimal point in your answer in exactly the same spot. So keep the decimal points aligned. So our answer here is 91.94. Let's try one more. So here we've got 5.18 minus 2.44. They're all lined up correctly. The ones are above the ones, tenths are above the tenths, hundredths above hundredths. So let's go ahead and subtract. 8 minus 4 would be 4. Now here we have 1 minus 4, so I'm going to have to borrow. So we'll turn this into a 4, put the 10 over here to turn this into an 11. And 11 minus 4, that's 7. And then we have 4 minus 2, and that's 2. And then we put our decimal point in the same slot. So 2.74 is our answer for that one. So that's a little bit of work with subtracting decimals.